Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
Just like modern scientists, they're trying to go to other planets. But they're conditioned. They cannot go. We can see there are millions and trillions of planets before us. The sun planet, the moon planet, the Venus, the Mars. Sometimes we wish how I could go there. But because I am conditioned, I am not independent, I cannot. But originally, because you are spirit soul, originally you were free to move anywhere. Just like Narad Muni. Narad Muni moves everywhere. Any planet he likes, he can go. Still, there is one planet within this universe which is called Siddha Loka. That Siddha Loka, the inhabitants of Siddha Loka, they can fly from one planet to another without any aeroplane. Even yogis, auto yogis, those have practice, they can also go from anywhere to any place. The yogis, they sit down in one place and immediately transfer in another place. They take a dip in some river nearby here, and they can get up in some river in India. They dip here and they rise there. These are yogic powers. So, we have got immense independence. But we are now conditioned by this body. Therefore, in the human form of life, it is an opportunity to get back our original independence. That is called Krishna consciousness. Freedom. When we have got our spiritual body, without being covered by this material body, we have got our spiritual body within this material body, very small. That is my real identification. Now I am covered by two kinds of material bodies. One is called subtle body and the other is called gross body. The subtle body is made of mind, intelligence and ego, false ego. And the gross body is made of earth, water, fire, air and ether mixed together, this body. So two kinds of body we have got. And we are changing. Generally we can see the gross body, we cannot see the subtle body. Just like everyone knows. I know that you have got your mind. I know that you have got intelligence. You know, I have got mind, I have got intelligence. But I cannot see your mind, I cannot see your intelligence. I cannot see your determination. I cannot see your thoughts, thinking, feeling and willing. Similarly, you cannot see. You see my gross body made of this earth, water, air, fire. And I can see your gross body. Therefore, when this gross body is changed and you are carried, you go away by the subtle body, and that is called death. We say, oh, my father has gone. How do you see that your father has gone away? The body is here lying. But actually his father has gone away by the subtle body.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,